Hi, welcome to the Feminine Chakra Healing for recalibrating the sacred centers of the body. I'm your host, Tejal Desai, and I will be taking you through this guided meditation. This meditation will help you center yourself. An everyday practice of this meditation ensures that you have the vessel ready to regulate, ready to receive. Find a comfortable position. Please do not attempt this if you are driving or in a moving vehicle. Take a gentle breath and allow your shoulders to soften. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Your feminine nervous system is the portal to your manifestation. You're not here to try harder. You're here to come back home into the temple of your body, into the softness that is not weakness, into the power that does not need force. Gorgeous soul, today is not a meditation to escape yourself. It is a return, a remembrance of the woman you were before the world asked you to shrink. Place one hand on your heart and the other over your lower belly. Feel your body and say, I am here, I am listening. Let's begin with the root chakra. Breathe in to the base of your spine. Here is the place where a woman learns whether life is safe, where she learns whether her body is her home or her prison. If you spent years surviving, holding everything together, you may have been carrying the world from a body that never once felt held. With every breath, let the ground beneath you become your evidence that you are supported now. Repeat internally, I am allowed to feel safe in my body. As we move forward, feel a beautiful red light emanate from your root chakra and chant this mantra, Lum. You do not need to hold the world alone anymore. With each breath, feel the ground holding you. Softly repeat, Lum. Say to yourself, I am safe in my body. I belong in my life. Let the spine feel supported, not alert, but received. Now slowly move to the chakra above, which is your sacral chakra. This is where feminine worth and sensual softening comes back to you in the form of fun and laughter. Imagine an orange light, and we will repeat the mantra, WOM. This is where women first disconnect, not because they are weak, but because they were taught that their softness is sacred. Breathe low into your pelvis, warmth, softness, permission, and gently chant WOM. 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 emotions are holy. My desires are welcome here. I am allowed to have fun. I'm allowed to laugh. There's nothing to perform, just permission. Slowly move your focus to your solar plexus. This is where feminine power without hardness resides. The color of this energy center is yellow. Imagine this right in the center of your ribs. The Bij mantra here is Ram. Power is not domination. In the feminine, power is self-authority with grace. Chant Ram. Power is sovereign. My power is gentle. My power is self-led, allowing me freedom to be who I truly am. Feel the body choose dignity, not defense. Feel the body choose self-actualization, not living other people's expectations of you. Move your focus to your heart chakra. This is represented by the green or rose pink color. The location is right at your chest. It represents receiving love, giving love, and being held. It's represented by the mantra Yam. Breathe into your heart, not as a performer of love, but as a receiver of it. Chant Yam. Yam. Yum. I am love. I am safe to receive love. I am safe to receive support. I am safe to allow softness within me. Let receiving feel innocent, not earned. Move your focus to your throat chakra, the one that represents your boundaries, your voice, your truth, but with grace. The color of this chakra is blue, and the location is in the throat. This is where you silence yourself in order to survive. The Bij mantra is Hum. Now breathe and reopen the door to your dignity. Chant Hum. 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 Affirm. My truth is welcome. My expression is power. My voice carries my truth, my opinion, my power in its true essence. Move your focus to the third eye. It represents intuition, and inner seeing. The color of this chakra is indigo, and the location is a little above the brows, but right in the center of the brows. The Bij mantra is Om. Rather than forcing clarity, allow the inner sight. Your intuition is not ahead, it is right within you. Chant I trust what my body knows before the mind interferes. I trust everyone, and I am trusted by everyone. Move your attention to the crown chakra. It represents the union, representing the union of the mind with the divine feminine, and its receptivity. The color of this chakra is white or violet, and the location is top of the head, where you would find your crown. The Bij mantra is Om. It represents I am that the divine embodied. Chants a slow and elongated Om. Om. Affirm, I am guided, I am held, I am connected, I am God, we are all gods. Place your hand on your heart and a hand to your womb. One final breath into the woman you are becoming, not the woman you were taught to be. Repeat slowly. My body is my throne. My presence is my power. I am the feminine returned to herself. Pause and let it land. Take a deep breath from your head to your toes. Keep your eyes closed. Slowly wriggle your hands and feet, your toes, as you come back. Slowly rise with opening your eyes. It's absolutely alright to just be in this moment. Get a sip of water to ground yourself. As you carry yourself into your day or go to sleep, just ensure that everything is happening for your higher good. Everything is happening for you. Everything is happening for your largest good. And everything is always working out for you.